Hi, today I'm going to be talking about this Starbucks Christmas mug that comes in a really sleek box from the Starbucks Reserve coffee shop. Before I get started, if you like this video after watching it and enjoy it, please do hit the subscribe button as I'm trying to build up my subscriber base, and hit the like button and also leave me some comments. So let's get started. As you can see, this is a really nice box. As you can see, it comes in gold trim, red for Christmas, and just very reflective. And it also has the Starbucks Reserve logo on the bottom. Now this is a 3.5, it's an 11 ounce, 325 milliliter mug. And basically, this came out during Christmas. It retails for $19.95 in the US and $26.95 in Canada. So let's unbox this. So basically, just open the box and boom, you have this gold mug. Let's take it out. So this gold mug on the bottom, it gives you the 11 flower ounce Starbucks Reserve logo. This is a 2020 mug, as you can see. And basically, nice trim, all gold, sleek, wider on the bottom, a little bit tighter on the top. Has the Reserve logo on it right here. So as you can see, this is a really nice gift for anybody. Comes in a nice box. Inside is red, so it has the Christmas feel on it. And one of the great things about this mug is that it's very unique. The inside is black, outside is all gold. And from my experience is that whenever you are using this in your office, at work, or even anywhere at home, you're always going to get people turning their eyes and heads looking at this cup and just getting the wow factor from this cup. So I just wanted to point this out, of this really awesome gold cup. I'm not sure if you can still find it, but I actually got this as a gift, and I just wanted to, give it a shout out to everybody. This is a really awesome mug. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, please do leave me a positive comment, and also hit the like button, and just let me know from comments whether you like it, you didn't like it, you have one, and also hit the subscribe button. I'm really trying to build up my subscriber base, and trying to hit that 1,000 mark, and just started, so it would really help me a lot. Thank you very much.